This is my second plot, and I have radish here on the end. So they're coming up fairly nicely. Actually, they may be getting too much shade. I'm not sure. They're not coming up as well as I had hoped they would, but that's okay. They're coming up. This is my beautiful, beautiful yarrow. It works as an excellent pollinator. The bees truly love it, and it has so many medicinal purposes: digestion, toothaches, menstrual cycle problems, and things like that. Rosemary, doing just absolutely incredible. This is some mint that just grows when it gets ready. And we've got tomato plants. We've got 3 of those, I believe. These are tomatillos, which is a excellent Mexican type of tomato that you put in salsa. And there's some other tomato plants here. We've got 4. I've got 4. 2 young ones that's starting up. And then these are some beets that are hanging in there. So I'm not sure if they're gonna make it or not, but we're not gonna disturb them. And then here I was gifted a raspberry plant, and by the time I got it in the ground, it was pretty well wilted out. So I'm leaving this to see if that's what's coming up there. So this is my other 4x8 plot, and you can see I got the rest of the compliments. All right, at Historic Mapleton Community Garden.